everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome again. Today I'm back with another very interesting video. In this video, I'm going to tell you 10 most commonly misspelled words. These are very easy words. We use them in our day-to-day life a lot, but when it comes to writing them, we sometimes get confused and misspell them. So today I'm going to tell you 10 such words that have a little bit of confusing spellings. You might know the correct spelling, but I'm just going to tell you 10 words that you might misspell along with their correct spellings. So the first word, tuition. What do you think is the spelling of tuition? We normally go to tuition every day. I have also seen a lot of advertisements, posters in my city sometimes, but sometimes I've noticed that over there also sometimes tuition is spelled wrong. What do you think is the spelling of tuition? Is it T-U-T-I-O-N? Wrong. It's not T-U-T-I-O-N. Okay, this spelling is wrong. The correct spelling of tuition is T-U-I-T-I-O-N. Okay, we need to add an I. T-U-I-T-I-O-N. Tuition. So this is the correct spelling of tuition. Now what about tutor? Is it the same like tuition? T-U-I-T-O-R? No. Tutor is just T-U-T-O-R. Okay? Tuition is T-U-I-T-I-O-N, but in tutor we do not use any I. It is just T-U-T-O-R. Tutor. So here we came to know the correct spellings of two words. Now video. Well, it seems like a very easy word. But let me tell you, I have seen a lot of comments in my videos where actually a lot of people misspell video. What do you think is the spelling of video? Well, is it V-E-D-I-O? Wrong. I know a lot of people might know that the correct spelling of video is V-E-D-I-O, but it is absolutely wrong. The correct spelling is V-I-D-E-O. Video. Okay? Now the next one. First tell me, how do you spell four? F-O-U-R, right? Yes, this is pretty easy. But how will you spell 44? 44. So at first 40 and then 4. Well, in the 40, is it F-O-U-R-T-Y? No. F-O-U-R-T-Y is completely wrong. It is F-O-R-T-Y. The spelling of 40 is F-O-R-T-Y. 44. So F-O-R-T-Y, F-O-U-R. Okay? Remember this. It might confuse you sometimes, but it's very easy. When you are just writing 4, it will be F-O-U-R. But when you are writing 40, it will be F-O-R-T-Y. You will not use any U. So this was the fourth word. Now the next one is address. What is the spelling of address? Well, A-D-R-E-S-S. Is it the correct spelling? A-D-R-E-S-S. It looks almost correct, but it is wrong. The correct spelling of address is A-D-D-R-E-S-S. This is the correct spelling of address. Okay, remember this. Now let's move to the sixth one. How do you spell photo? P-H-O-T-O. Well, it is very simple. P-H-O-T-O is the spelling of photo. But how do you spell photos? Means the plural form of photo. P-H-O-T-O-E-S? Is it correct? It's not. Yes, we know that after O we generally add E-S. But photo is an exception. After photo, we are not going to add an ES. We are going to add only S. Okay? PHOTOS. For example, in mango, it ends with O and we add ES, mangoes. What is the spelling of mangoes? MANGOES. Right. But photos is an exception. It is PHOTOS. No ES. Okay? Remember this. Now let's move to the 7th one. Calendar. Calendar looks very simple and it is simple as well, but sometimes a little bit it might get confusing. It sometimes gets confusing for me as well. So what is the spelling of calendar? Is it CALENDER? Well, it sounds correct, but it is wrong. The real spelling of calendar is CALENDAR. We do not write DER. It is wrong. Calendar, the last, it is AR. Okay? It is not CALENDER. It is CALENDAR. 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 Okay? CALENDAR. This is the correct spelling. Now the 8th one, that is grammar. English grammar. So what is the correct spelling of grammar? Well, is it GRAMAR? Grammar. It sounds almost correct, but it is wrong. And sometimes many might misspell it as GRAMER. It can also be done. But both of these are incorrect. The correct spelling is GRAMMAR. Okay? It's not single M, it's double M. GRAMMAR. It's not ER, it's AR. So this is the correct spelling of grammar. Now the 9th one is biscuits. Well, I guess biscuits is the most commonly used words. We always eat biscuits with tea, with coffee. So people might get confused in the spelling. You might not, you might know the correct spelling, but some people can be confused. So what do you think is the spelling of biscuit? Biscuit. So is it BISCIT or I guess BISKIT? Biscuit. Well, it is wrong. The correct spelling is BISCUIT. We need to add a small U there. BISCUIT. Biscuit. Okay, remember this. It might confuse you, but it is actually very simple. BISCUIT. Biscuit. Now what about business? Kind of similar to biscuit. Business. Think about it. Well, it is also very commonly used words, but people might make mistakes when it comes to spelling it. Business. BISNESS or BUSNESS. Is it correct? Which one is correct then? Well, the thing is, both of them are wrong. It is not BISNESS. It's not BUSNESS. The correct spelling is BUSINESS. Okay, we need to add an U and I. BUSI. Okay, business. Business. Okay, BUSINESS. There is a small I. We do not naturally pronounce that I, but it is there. BUSINESS. Business. So these are the 10 words that we learned today. You might have known them, but I just wanted to share it with you because there are a lot of people that might feel confused while spelling them or writing them. Now, if there are any words that you know that suppose we use all the time, it is quite commonly used and it is very easy, but we might misspell it, we might get confused while spelling it sometimes. So make sure to write that word down in the comment box below. And if you have any other suggestions, then make sure to write it down as well. So this was for today's video. I hope you like this idea. If you like this video, then click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then click on the subscribe button. So that's it for today. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.